what you feel about these following things in one word. The art of kissing on screen.
Um,
Social media.
Social media.
What impressed you the most about the script of Bombay Begums?
The title, at first, the world that it was set in.
One thing that only women experience, you wish men had experienced too.
Maybe
One thing about Alankrita, you wish all other Bollywood directors had.
I think honesty and clarity.
A freedom every married woman should have, which many Indian women still don't have. What, according to you, is the biggest myth about women amidst men?
That it
Film critics.
um
If you were to star in a romantic Bollywood film, which actor you'd want to romance on screen? What is something most of the girls like about boys, but you don't?
I think most girls go for looks, but I feel personality is the key.
Pooja Bhatt, the short rapid fire with you, please. What impressed you the most about the script of Bombay Begums?
The title, at first, the world that it was set in, and I think all these diverse, complex, human characters. It was that, and then of course, I had seen Alankrita's work. I'd seen Lipstick and loved it. So for me, it was really a no-brainer. And the fact that it was finally going to be on Netflix, and let's kind of, this is not a plug, but the truth is that Netflix really changed the way we all perceived entertainment. So I was really
All right.
glad that I was kind of getting the chance to be able to make my supposedly OTT debut through this platform. And
What a debut! What a debut! And the way you've been presented, I think, has been, even as you know, the intro scene, the way all of you guys have been presented is amazing. All right, if you could make one rule that everyone should follow in our society, what would that be?
I think posture less, reveal more. जैसे कहते हैं कि हम we not what we exhibit to the world, we are what we hide. जो हम छुपाते हैं, actually हम वो होते हैं. जो दिखाते हैं वो नहीं होते हैं. So I
Alright.
think that this world could do a lot more with some straight talk, and it's more important to be kind than it is to be right. So let's be kind. The world needs kindness, especially post-COVID.
So that means be like you.
Definitely.
I love you.
How would you define your idea of women empowerment?
Women empowerment is just to be able to be true to yourself. I think this is a great blurb. To be true to yourself, be the real you, but does society actually permit us to be our real selves? So whatever it is that you choose to do, whether it is to be a CEO of a bank, whether it is to be a housewife, whether it is to be a character like Lily, who's a bar dancer, whether you want to kind of embrace motherhood, whether you want to never have kids, whether you want to be a cat mama and a dog mama, whether you want to be a nomad, whether you want to scale mountains, just be yourself, sing your song, because you've got one life, and eventually you got to live with yourself. So just dare to be is my mantra. Dare to be.
All right. Okay. So if you can please say, just sum up these following certain elements in one word. What you feel about these following things in one word. The art of kissing on screen.
Innocence needs to be the approach. The first lesson I learned was on the sets of Sadak many, many years ago, when I had to kiss my icon in that sense. The only poster I've ever had of an actor on my wall was Sanjay Dutt's. And I had to kiss him when I was all of 18. And I remember my father taking me aside and telling me something that's remained with me for life. And he said, Pooja, if you're going to feel vulgar, it's going to look vulgar. So you need to be able to approach, especially a kissing scene, especially a lovemaking scene, with a great deal of innocence, grace, and dignity, because the intention is communicated. So I think kissing, and I must thank Mr. Rahul Bose, because there was a comfort level with him, and he directed me last in a film, ironically, and here I was thrown into his arms. And of course, Danish, who I'd met for the first time and now claim a friend. But I think innocence, dignity, grace.
New regulations for OTT.
Well, regulations are not new to us, Faridun. We've been dealing with regulations in our own way all our lives. I think eventually it's the intention of the filmmaker that's communicated to anybody who's regulating you. I've always had a regulator or a censor board in my own heart and head. What has never seemed right to me, I've never put out there. And what is right to me, I'm willing to fight till my last breath for. So I think that's it. And I think that strife, regulations, actually kind of instigate and provoke us to kind of give that much more and think of new ways to be able to tell our tales. So, I mean, it's going to take a lot more than regulations to stop us from telling our stories the way we want to. I mean, starting with
Social-
Bombay Begum, for example.
Social media.
You know, damned if you do, damned if you don't, but not to be taken very seriously. Enjoy it. Don't peg your self-worth on it, because a lot of it is not organic. I mean, you can't take yourself seriously on the basis of how many likes you get or how many followers you have or how many followers somebody else have, because many of them are bots. And I think just be yourself, yeah. Be yourself.
Oh.
Because no matter what you do, someone's going to have a problem with it. Just be true to you.
Rapid fire with Shana Goswami. What's your biggest takeaway from Bombay Begums?
Authenticity. Keeping things real. Yeah.
One thing that only women experience, you wish men had experienced too.
Maybe, I mean, not that I've experienced it, but maybe, you know, creating life inside your stomach and, you know,
First,
yeah.
what do you consider as your biggest strength?
Biggest strength, love. I operate out of love. Yeah.
One thing about Alankrita you wish all other Bollywood directors had.
I think honesty and clarity.
If you wake up tomorrow and find out that you have changed into a man, what's the first thing you do?
What I'm going to say is, what came to my head is very inappropriate, but I think I would be very fascinated by a new body part. Yes.
What's something that annoys you a lot about the society, but you can't do anything about it?
Annoys me about society, I think judgment, people being judgmental. And I think that's something, the only way to change it is to change it within yourself. So,
Okay, how would you react to this YouTube comment on the trailer of Bombay Begums? This is Ravi Raj Jain. Pleased to see Shana on screen after a long time. Last film I watched of hers was Tu Hai Mera Sunday. Loved her in Rock On and even in Ravan as well. God knows what happens to such super talented souls, where they get lost. Why not enough films? Is it that hard to survive here even with so much talent?
how sweet. That's very sweet of you. But yes, I promise everybody else and myself to be more out there because I just love doing what I do. And yeah, I believe I should do more of it.
Moving on to Amrita Subhash now. So rapid fire with Amrita. Amrita, what is something that is considered as the weakness of a man but a strength of a woman?
I mean, I don't believe कि ऐसे होना चाहिए पर समझा जाता है that, you know, I would say tears.
Yes.
ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए but समझा जाता है. Yeah.
What is something about women that you think men take for granted?
Men take for granted many things, but I can't pick one. Sorry.
A freedom every married woman should have, which many Indian women still don't have.
To be more successful than her husband.
According to you, to what extent should a woman respect her husband, and how she'd know if she's losing on her own self-respect?
Well, that line is very slippery. Yes, so that's a very good question. But yeah, when she starts putting his happiness, मतलब उनकी हमारी खुशी से ज़्यादा उनकी खुशी के बारे में अगर हम सोच रहे हैं, तो I think we are losing it. और ये unawareingly होता रहता है. So the moment I start thinking more of his happiness continuously, I think there is some problem.
Okay, this is Ashwin Srinivasan. There are very rare actresses like Amrita Subhash. I've seen her in Shwas, Killa, Raman Raghav, Gully Boy, and Choked. Someone so natural in acting can actually do any damn role. Radhika Apte, Tilotma Shome, Rasika Duggal, Shefali Shah, we need to discuss and celebrate them more. Yeah, we need to celebrate you more.
Thank you so much. That's so sweet. Thank you.
Rapid fire for Alankrita. Give me some time. They're interesting questions, please. Alankrita, quickly, I'm coming to you. What's your definition of feminism, please? Let's keep it short and snappy, please. That's my request.
Feminism for me means women having equal rights and equal opportunities.
Something that makes a man vulnerable but makes a woman strong.
Makes a man vulnerable but makes a woman strong. I think leaning in to your inner core and experiencing your feelings. And
All right. What, according to you, is the biggest myth about women amidst men?
that that they can't be as good or better than them in every aspect.
What was the biggest inspiration for you to make Bombay Begums?
I think two things. One is maybe my mother and maybe charting. I mean, and looking at a lot of women who are very successful in the corporate sector. I think these two things.
Women-centric films in Bollywood, if you can react in one word.
That should be 50% of all films.
Censor board.
Nothing to say.
Film critics.
Should be taken with a pinch of salt because nobody can actually decide for you what you should make and how you should make it. You have to follow your instinct. Sometimes you'll get praise, sometimes you'll get brickbats, sometimes you get a mix of both, but eventually you have to follow your heart.
Coming to Adya quickly. Adya, rapid fire with you. What is something most of the girls like about boys but you don't?
I think most girls go for looks, but I feel personality is the key.
How would you describe a strong woman in one word?
Ambitious.
Which is your most favorite Hindi women-centric film?
Not really sure. There are many actually, but I can't pick one.
One question you'd never want your boyfriend to ask you.
I don't know actually because I'm an open book. They can ask me anything, I'll answer.
If you were to star in a romantic Bollywood film, which actor you'd want to romance on screen?
Siddharth Malhotra.
What was your immediate first reaction when you were offered Bombay Begums?
I was really, really surprised. I started jumping on my bed actually, literally.
If you have to sum up these following ladies in one word, how would you do that? Pooja Bhatt,
Sweetest person.
Alankrita Srivastav,
The most honest and best person I've seen.
okay, Plabita,
Flavita, she's like my sister.